Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is the first day of the 12 days of Thriftmas. I've never done Thriftmas before, but I am so excited to be doing it this year. I am doing 12 days of thrifting. I am spending the 12 days of Thriftmas hitting thrift stores. Today is a super fun one because we're going to New Orleans. I have not been to New Orleans in a while, but I'm going today and I'm taking you with me to thrift with two of my fellow resellers and friends, Alicia at Married Life and Tanya at Double T's Treasures. You probably know both of them. If you don't, their channels will be linked in the description below because they are YouTubers also. But we always have such a fun time. It is thrifting, it is goofing off, it is always good food. Food is a must. And New Orleans never disappoints. We had a trunk full of goodies when we left that day, and we hit 3 thrift stores. So definitely a winner. So me and the big guy are gonna skedaddle so you can watch the footage, and I'll be back at the end to wrap it all up, just like those Christmas gifts.
Even more.
Yeah, and so when the manager came by, he was like, "You guys need to inform people." Dude, lottery boom.
Idiot.
So often on my channel, you'll see me thrifting out of town, and that's because I get more bang for my buck, and also I find brands that I don't find in my local area. And why not go thrifting with friends who also are obsessed with thrifting? It always makes the trip a lot more fun. Rolling deep with these two, heading into New Orleans. Yeah.
Oh, that was sudden.
Yeah.
She said that was sudden.
From Big and straight through to.
Yo, they missed me so much that they didn't get out of the car to give me a hug.
Well, somebody
You were
was
late.
supposed to be here at 7:15.
Oh, we're cutting out. They always put me in the back seat too. It's pretty pitiful.
What happens when you're late?
You could
What?
have got the front seat. You could have got
Even when I'm on time, I'm in the back seat. That's so rude. All right, we made it to New Orleans, so here's our first stop. Hey! So if you're local to the area, this is the Goodwill store on Esplanade in Kenner, Louisiana. We've been to this location several times, and I generally have very good luck.
Where's the watch your step? I mean,
Red tag. Okay. Red tag. It's 9:30. Time we leave.
All right, we made it to Goodwill and Kenner. We're gonna do some shopping. We are setting a time limit today because we're trying to hit as many stores as we can before I've got to be back home to help my kiddos go pick up Christmas presents for other families. So let's get to shopping. Okay, so normally when we go to New Orleans, we do not have a time limit on a store. We can spend 5 hours sometimes in one store, but I did need to get home. So we set a time limit of shopping of 1 hour and then 30 minutes to sort our cart, look for damage, check comps or comparable solds, and decide which we were going to pick up. I did head to denim first because usually with denim, I get a great return on my investment, meaning whatever I spend on the item, I can usually flip it for a really good price and make a great profit. I did find these frame jeans. Now, frame can be hit or miss on the resale market, but I thought they were cute with the split hem, and the Goodwill store had them for $5.99. So I figured that would be a pretty safe bet as far as reselling, and so I did put them in my buggy. I spotted a Tanya in the wild. You finding anything?
Yep.
Woohoo! I got something for you.
I'm not sure what all.
So you heard me tell Tanya that I got something for her. One of the best things about thrifting with my friends and fellow resellers is that we're constantly pulling things for each other to resell, things that might be more up their alley that I wouldn't necessarily sell myself. And it's like having an extra set of eyes in another section of the store. Okay, since we're on a time limit, I'm going to try to make it through all these dresses, but I'm going to do it by skimming. That means I'm not going to look at every single tag. I'm going to try to feel for fabric, look for special prints, and pull out some goodies, hopefully. Fingers crossed. And she's a long one. She goes all the way around the back wall too. All the way over there. So hopefully I can do it. I don't know. This is me after the dress section, so yeah, I think I did pretty good. All right, time to show you the haul of items I picked to resell from this store. This was an A-line skater style dress in a cool print from the brand Shoshana. I love to sell this dress brand. It was $6.99 and half off, So that was a definite yes. Then I found this other floral dress. I really like to sell dresses because I get a great return on my investment. The brand is called Trashy Diva. They're actually a local New Orleans brand, and they have a huge following all over the world. There's even Facebook groups dedicated to the brand, so if you find Trashy Diva, I would say for sure pick it up. This is a Free People dress. I'm pretty picky with Free People these days, but I thought it was a cute style. It was $6.99 with billowy sleeves and an elastic bodice, so I took it. Then I found this coral wrap front dress by Draper James for $6.99. And I also got a new to me brand. This is Mila Owen, sold by Edwin. Mila Owen is a Japanese brand. There's some cropped wide leg denim jeans, and I figured that would be a good try at $5.99. They are cute style, so I picked them up. This is a new to me brand. This is called The Script. These trousers originally retail for $428. The thrift store had them marked at $5.99, so again, I thought I'd try them. My favorite jeans I found, Veronica Beard, not a brand I usually find, but for $6.99, button fly, skinny jeans, grab those. Then another pair of jeans. Like I said, I like to sell jeans and dresses. They're frame, they are wide leg, and the store had them at $5.99. These are some men's jeans. I don't sell tons of men's, but if I find some designer, I will. This is Hugo Boss. And these will usually resell for about $60 to $70. Thrift store had them at $5.99 and half off. Some Madewell jeans. These are skinny jeans, but they're a newer style. Very high waist for $6.99. So I grabbed it. These were the frame jeans you saw earlier with the split hem. And so I did end up picking those up too. Looking forward to see how they do. And that was my haul for this store. I heard y'all talking about me.
What size shoes are your boys?
Filming the antics.
We're done.
Hey, show me your buggy. Show me
Show
your...
your freaking buggy, girl. Everyone's stoked so I can get it in the video. Hey, I'll go into mom mode. You know when they're like, "Better show me your freaking buggy now."
Oh, we're a hot mess.
I didn't even get up here.
We did pretty good though.
Quickly. Look, I flew through these aisles.
Me too. The dresses.
Flew through them.
The dresses I
just
skimmed.
walked through them.
I just walked through them. I didn't even look.
Yeah.
Check out time. Here's my buggy.
I looked over here.
Look at us. Tanya,
Well,
you knew we'd be filming.
I know. Look, I'm already.
Look, oh yeah. That was a good one. After lunch at a local New Orleans favorite, Copeland's, we headed to another Goodwill store. This one is in Metairie. And actually, Alicia and I realized this was the store we went to on our first trip to New Orleans together ever. I headed over to the new rack. This is always a must because you get to go through merchandise before it ever even hits the floor, and no one else has a chance to go through it. I have to say we haven't had the best of luck in this store, so I wasn't super optimistic, especially when the first couple sections I hit, I didn't find anything. But we're always going to still have a good time. I mean, check it out. Even Tanya's basket's pretty sad.
Oh God, you scared the crap out of me. Hey, you wanna?
You're in the zone? Are you in the zone?
No.
No.
No
zone.
I have some tea about this place.
Oh.
I'm going to have to shut this off now.
Yeah, you may. You may. Warning. Warning.
Oh, does it have bad words?
No, it's just gross.
Oh, okay. So I'll spare you the details about what Alicia told us and show you my little haul from this tiny store. This is a Free People floral dress, very cottagecore. I thought it was so pretty, and they had it for $7.99. And then this denim dress by E. Shakti from their Diffusion line, Wayward Fancies, for $6.99. Very nice plus size dress. I got this for my kiddos. Actually, one of them ended up wearing it in our Christmas photos. It's just a polo pullover for $5.99. A sleeveless shirt dress by Diane von Furstenberg in a pretty yellow abstract floral. I thought about passing this on to one of the girls, but then I looked up the comps and I said, forget it, I'm buying it, $9.99 on that one. Should get me about $75. This is a cute little denim dress, again by Draper James. That's my second Draper James of the day, half off of $9.99. I don't know why this store was so expensive, but at least that one was half off. And then last up is this sweater. The brand is called Hi-Ho, and I've sold them before. They usually sell around $40, so I did pick that up also. And the thrift store had it marked at $4.99. Look where we is. Last stop.
I always forget. I'll get it on the way out.
Yeah, see with our cameras.
Look, there's my friends. Oops, got an announcement there. So this is the Salvation Army store on Jefferson Highway in New Orleans, and Wednesdays is half off day. So it was half off of every single thing in the store. That's little Alicia's head. We joke all the time we wish she'd wear a hat because she's hard to find in the store. The store is massive and the racks are kind of tall, so it's hard to see her over the racks. I did head to denim first. Unfortunately, a lot of this stuff was picked over. We didn't go to the store till the afternoon, so obviously half off day had been going on all day long. Now that's not always a bad thing because a lot of times they will restock, and we found some great items that were just being put out on the floor, so not always bad to go late in the day, but this day just didn't work out too great for us. I definitely did not have as big a haul as I normally would have from the store. Usually my cart is overflowing by the time that we are headed to sort our carts. I am going to head over here to the dressing rooms. This is a good tip for items that are being discarded and put back. People will try them on, and then instead of putting them back where they go, they'll just stick them right outside the dressing room, so you can sometimes find some treasures that someone decided they weren't going to purchase. I'm trying to find my friends in the store. Oh, there's Tanya, and I can see Alicia's head. So they're already over there sorting. As you can see, I do have some items in my cart. I am going to head over to where they are, and I'm going to sort and show you a haul of what I got in this store. So first up were these Mod Ref casual pants. I've sold this brand before. They usually sell between 30 and 40. They were $6.99 and half off. These are some current Elliott jeans. These can be a slow seller, but they do still sell for me for $35 to $50. So half off of $6.99. This is a brand called Paperwhite, designed by Henson Wu, and it usually sells for about $3.30 retail. It is made with European luxury fabric, so definitely a good pickup. This was my favorite find, a jacquard dress by the brand Aiden Maddox for Adriana Papel. This dress originally retailed for $550 at Bloomingdale's and Saks. It was $19.99, half off, and I should get at least $100 for it. Oh my God, that is so cute. Look at the Buc-ee's! Ah! I would totally rock that Buc-ee's jacket if it was my size. Next up is some high-rise skinny jeans, the premium Levi's for half off $6.99. These should sell for at least $50, and they're a 20 plus size. That's wonderful. My last dress is from St. John. What a great find. Pretty knit. Love the pastel colors, and half off $6.99. Totally a winner.
I don't know. None of them have sold.
Look how serious they are.
Super serious with our Buc-ee's merch. And our torn Peruvian. And our fake Balenciaga.
Oh my gosh, it's so dramatic.
That's how it feels.
So I told y'all that this store is not nearly as crowded as it normally is on a Wednesday at Salvation Army, but y'all, this line was insane. Took forever. I will. Get your hand out the way. Build that trunk. So even though this wasn't the largest haul that we've ever had shopping in New Orleans, I'm super glad I got to go with my friends. We had a great time, ate some good food, found lots of great items to resell. I still love to go out of town to source versus sourcing in my local area. I find brands I don't normally find, and the prices are still comparable to where I live. So I'm very thankful that we got to go check out that beautiful sunset, the row houses in New Orleans, the skyline of downtown, and you can even see the cemetery there. I certainly will be back. If you've never sourced outside your local area, maybe consider going and sourcing within an hour of where you live, and maybe you'd be surprised and you'll find a new sourcing spot just for your reselling business. All right, we're back. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing us thrift in New Orleans. It's been so long since I've been able to go thrifting with my friends, but super glad that I got to share this with you for the first day of Thriftmas. Tomorrow I'll be back with another video for day 2 of Thriftmas. So be sure to follow along for the next 12 days because it's going to be fun. We're going to be thrifting. And whether you just love thrifting or you're a reseller too, there's something for everybody. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to do that on the way out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.